Hello, welcome back. Sorry we haven't had many updates recently. Just with life, workload, I've had a lot on my plate recently, so now we're back on it. So first off the list is this Lake Devon. He's just completed a 3,000 mile European trip, Spain, over the Alps, Andorra, all over the shop. No trouble at all, no breakdown, perfect, there and back, perfect. The only thing he's had since is he drove it in the rain, really bad wet day here, and parked it, and as he went to pull away the next couple of days after it had been parked with the handbrake on, one side stuck, then it banged and went off. I've removed the drums off the back and it was just loads of dust. Needed cleaning out and readjusting the cylinders. Everything is fine. I think we've done them over the last 5 years. We've done the cylinders, they're all good, no leaking, just a lot of dust, probably from coming down the mountains and obviously generally using it for that amount of distance where most vans are not used. Normally they're doing like 500 to 1,000 miles a year. This has probably done 4,000 or 5,000 already this year. So there's job number one. We have the T25 has been dropped off as an MOT failure. That'll be a later job this week. We also have obviously the Beetle. That's one of my latest purchases. There's a video on that on the YouTube channel. This Range Rover Sport diesel, I've just completed it and waxed the underneath. I had to remove all the arches, plastic liners, massive amount of work, but it's the way to do it if you want these things to last. I would say this Range Rover's been used to maybe pull a boat, because the back is a lot surface rusty more than the front. But the only right way to do it is to pull all the plastics off, pull all the skirts off and get it everywhere. So that's done now. I've just got to leave it for another day to dry. I've been on my son's E36. We now have all the rads, the front on. It's not all the front obviously. So now it's got water in the engine. We've just got to do the power steering and a little bit of welding to the quarter down there. There's a little hole. So once we've done that, you can get the other wing on and then we can start building up the front. It's another job. My brother has this lovely crew cabin for some wheel bearing work, and he also has this 73 Westie, cool little van this is. He's got this in for, as you can see, it's half done, alternator conversion and just some other little maintenance jobs. Cool van, new customer to us. I like the colour, and obviously being a Westie, my personal favourite. So as you can see, we're at it. We never stop here. We've had a lot on, a lot of cars in the last few weeks we've cleared. We seem to be doing a lot of MOTs that we normally do in the winter. We seem to be doing it in the summer. My only feeling on this is I think where money's a bit tighter, where we've had such a bad winter, and people don't use these things over the winter obviously, they're just parked up. So I think people are doing them now because they want to get out and use and have fun. Obviously for us it makes it a lot harder because we're doing sort of 3 to 5 a week plus the other work. It makes it very hard, but that's what we're here for. We'll keep doing what we're doing, and that's all I can say. It's Thursday. The Type 25 is done. There's a small repair down there, as you can see. I hope you can see. That's it. That's the first piece of welding this van's ever had. It's about 99%, apart from that around that window, 99% original paint. In my opinion, she needs to catch it now and get bits of work done to it before it starts going. She's used it about 5 or 6 years continuously every day, and all of a sudden they just go downhill. As you can see, it could do with a polish. I think the original paint would come up really nice. End cap, couple of mirrors broken, just a few bits and bobs to keep on top of these things, because as you can see, using it every day and winter is starting to take its toll on it. I've done some ball joints today. The Range Rover's going in a minute, and I've got a local guy who's looking for a project coming to look at the generally rusty Lee. I used to work for him years ago, and he's really good at doing Beetles, and he just fancied a project, so hopefully we can strike a deal and get it done. You know, it's a nice little car, it drives, which is one bonus. He's got a little workshop at his mum's where he does you know, works on cars part-time as well as a job as a mechanic. So hopefully he buys it, and hopefully nice to see it back on the road and structurally sound again. Thanks for watching. See you for the next video.